Hey, how's it going, Option Sharks? This is your option coach here, and today I want to talk a little bit about income source, right? And now, understanding the world that we live in and how inflation and prices of things going up, the cost of living going up, one income source is just absolutely not sufficient. It's not enough, all right? So even if you are making $100,000 a year, six figures, that is still not sufficient if you are living in a Western country or the United States. That if your money is not really going to be going that far after taxes. So you have to start considering and start thinking about what ways can you also generate more income, right? Because there's only two ways to make money in this world. The first way is working for money, and there's nothing wrong with working for money, right? As a professional, you have a skill, you want to generate income from your skills, right? That's what we call high income skills. And that's what you always want to start off with. High income skills, and then consider a business down the road. And of course, high return investments, and anything related to having your money working for you. So starting off is always, one income source. That's your professional skill, that's your job, whatever it is, and you're generating income that way. But you also want to start understanding how to make your money work for you. And this is where trading options can come into play. All right. And you can also get to the stage, to a point where you're generating enough income from your portfolio, from your options, that you don't even have to work if you don't want to. The way I look at it is you're generating income, you're working a job, that's good, keep doing that. And then at the same time, you are putting that money into your portfolio and be able to trade options to continue to grow your portfolio. So if we can follow simple math, if you are able to put aside at least $50,000 to $100,000 in your portfolio, you can generate 5 to 10% per month safely and consistently, right? So a $50,000 portfolio, 10% is $5,000, 5% is $2,500, and then of course the sweet spot is $100,000, where you're generating $5,000 to $10,000 per month, 5 to 10%. And then you can start considering, hey, you know what? If I'm making dollars and I am living in the U.S. and my money is not working for me, then I can consider maybe living abroad, all right? Living in a place where you can make U.S. dollars and spend local currency, all right? So a good example is right now I'm in Mexico near my beach home. So I live right on the beach, and I'm making U.S. dollars, and I'm spending local currencies, pesos, and my money is going a long way for me, right? It's actually a very advantageous to be able to do that. So you can consider, trading options and then just living in any part of the world where your money is working harder for you. Example, Mexico, Central America, South America, Asia. Even there's parts of Eastern Europe where the dollar goes a long way, right? And when you're able to trade options, you can have that lifestyle. You can have location freedom, time freedom, live life on your terms, and have more to use, right? And your money working for you much longer. And you can, groceries are not going to be like, buying groceries is not going to be like $100 or more. You can get groceries for less than $30, less than $40, and all organic, all natural. So that is the lifestyle that you can have, right? When you learn how to make your money work for you, and then you take it to the next level and not live in the U.S. Don't live in these Western countries where you're living under inflation, where you have all these taxes, right? Be able to learn how to make the tax advantages work for you. Live in a country where you are making dollars and you're spending local currency, that your dollar goes a long way. And then you'll truly experience a completely different life, more free and not subject to what I like to say, the matrix, right? The clown world, matrix world. That's where you are actually just living a peasant life, right? And you don't want to live that. So learn how to trade options, generate income, and then my recommendation, live in a country, if you are able to, and you're willing to go on that journey, live in a country where you are making U.S. dollars and then spending local currencies, and your money can work for you and go a long way. In this video, I'll also include a coaching call that you can see where one of my clients is taking profits, and it gives you an idea, an estimate of how much he's able to generate per week with my help, right, through coaching with me. and the income that you can generate with options. So I'm going to include that in the second half. And then any questions, put a like and subscribe, put it in the comment, any questions. Love to hear from you and love to also welcome you. If you want to consider becoming a private member with us, just book a time with us. I'll be more than happy to share with you, talk with you about how we can help you. All right, other than that, see you soon, Option Sharks. Talk to you guys later. Okay, so here we are working with Sam and just going over the mechanics of a recent trade that we did. So this way you can understand what to look for. All right, so initially when you open a trade, there's a market value. The market value initially will be higher because at that time of opening the trade, there's no time decay. It hasn't decayed yet. But the fact that now we are exactly on the day of expiration, so time decay has happened. So you can see the original trade is a Walmart May 16th expiration, which is today, a $91 put. So the current market value is only $5, right? Minus 5 means $5. And then the cost basis means how much premium you collected. So you collected $823, all right? And there's no point holding on to these contracts till expiration today to realize only $5. That's not smart. You want to just pay the $5, close it out early, release the collateral, and then we can make new trades for the following week and benefit off time decay, off theta, okay? And also on Charles Schwab here, you can see the gains. There's gains, the dollar sign and gains percentage. So you can see the gain dollar sign, it says 818, right? So if you were to wait till today, it'll be 818 plus 5, right? So that's a total of 823 on the left side.
Okay, got it.
Right? But obviously, we're not going to hang around for $5. So that's why it's telling you your actual gains is 818. It's subtracting the 5.
Okay.
And then on the right side, the gain percentage is telling you how much percentage, how up are you on this trade? This trade is so phenomenal. You are up 99.9%, right? So I gave you a home run here. Okay. So this is how you read it. Obviously, when you go back to recording, you could review it once more.
Okay.
Okay. So how do we close contracts? I think you have to slide to the right.
Okay.
Slide this to the right. There should be a little menu. Oh no, then slide left. I guess if you tap on the trade itself, it might open up a menu.
Okay.
We want it. Okay, there we go.
Close position.
Yeah, we want to close position. So obviously we sell to open. The action to close will be buy to close. And your brokerage, Schwab, should already share that with you. So you see on the screen on the left, it tells you buy to close. Right? Do you see the position minus 10? And then next to you it says buy to close.
BTC, yes, got it.
Correct. There you go. So BTC means buy to close. And then you have 10 contracts, so it's $1 per contract. So total $10. All right. So we're gonna just pay $10 to get out of this trade.
So that's how I read that. It's where do I see that? Oh, because the ask is 0.01. That's how I know it's $1.
Correct. When it's 0.01, it means $1. 0.05 means $5.
Yeah. And 0.10 would $10.
0.01 is $1. 0.10 is $10. You got it. That's right.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. All right. So hit review order.
Yeah. So 10 contracts times $1 is $10. Review order. And then we're going to just release the collateral. And it'll tell you too that the collateral will be released. And then you can check order status. And filled. Outstanding. So now the collateral has been released. Your buying power is back to what it was before, plus the profits that you have generated.